Hola guys, how are you? So today I'm doing something different, guys. I decided to show you a bit of what I am doing before cooking today's meal. So welcome to a day, kind of like you guys, it's just like kind of like a mini vlog. And welcome guys. Thanks, welcome back to my channel, Nelly Kabiruri. If you're new here, guys, welcome. Please consider subscribing. So guys, I was just doing a bit of cleaning and then head out to the market and get supplies for today, and I headed out with my son. Okay, so come along guys. So guys, we are back. Oh, it was tiring. It was so sunny. So we are gonna cook goat meat, as you've seen on the title of the video. Goat meat and ugali, which is a Kenyan staple, and I love ugali, and some greens. So the first thing I do, guys, I don't know if you wash your meat, but I have to wash my meat. I wash it and then I'm gonna boil it for like an hour to just make it tender, and I boil it with garlic and ginger. And then now guys, I had already washed my greens and let them drain water, so I'm gonna cut them. Let me know how you shred your veggies. So this is how I do mine. I find it easier this way, and I don't like mine being cut by the vendor. I just like doing it myself. It's therapeutic for me. So hey, yes, stick along guys, and let's cook dinner. So guys, I was doing assorted veggies. I did 4 types of vegetables. That's why I like it. Kienyeji vegetables, or rather, kienyeji vegetables. So I mixed managu and terere or amaranth and spinach and some kind of lettuce, I guess, but a different kind of lettuce that is cooked as a vegetable. So yes, so let us get into prepping, and I'm just gonna cut my onions, the usual, cut my onions, prep my tomatoes, and then I'm gonna take you along to how I stew my goat meat. Remember, we are boiling it, and then we're gonna stew it, and I'll just take you along guys. Come along, please. I hope you're enjoying. Please guys, if you like it, it's my first vlog guys, so I'm sorry if I flop, but yep, I hope you're liking it, and if you are guys, please consider subscribing. So our goat meat is all ready. It's boiled, it's tender, and I have drained the stock. Remember guys, I always insist that if you want your meat to be yummy and meatier, it's better if you boil it and then save some of the stock, or rather the soup that you've boiled with, to use in your stew instead of using water. So guys, here I'm adding my onions. Remember, I already boiled it with ginger and garlic, but I'm gonna add a bit of garlic, and then my dania stalks, I put them at the beginning and save the leaves for later for garnishing. And then I'm gonna add my oil and my seasoning. I'm gonna use Knorr beef cubes. I just like the cube, and well, stick along guys, just cook with me. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna turn out yummy. If you haven't tried goat meat guys, you don't know what you're missing. Goat meat is amazing. Remember guys, if you want your meat to be yummy, another tip guys, brown your meat. As you can see, my meat looks like it's sticking on the pot, the bottom of the pot guys. That is called browning. You just let your meat not burn it, just kind of brown it, and then it's gonna give a very yummy taste to your beef or chicken or whatever. Just browning is very useful if you want. Gosh guys, try that and you're gonna tell me. And now it's ready guys. Look at how yummy, and oh gosh guys, it's just yummy. And now since it's ready, we are gonna cook our veggies. So put in your oil. This is how I do it guys. I put in your oil, heat the oil in a pan or sufuria or whatever you're using, and then put in your onions and let them saute for a while. After they've sauteed, put in your greens. And as you're going to see, how I do mine, how I do my veggies is that I put them, I do not cover my veggies guys. Tell me, let me know how you do it guys, because I don't want mine to overcook. I just cook them for 5 minutes depending on what veggies I'm cooking. Okay, so I have my onions have sauteed, I put in the tomatoes, I cook that down, and then I come in with my veggies. And guys, what I do with my veggies, I just put them in and let them shrink, you know, like let them take in the heat and shrink. And after they have shrunk, that is when I'm gonna, so I put the rest in, and then that's when I'm gonna turn them. Okay guys, so and just 5 minutes is enough guys, and I don't cover mine, and they turn out amazing. Okay, so yep, come along. You put in some salt guys. Remember to taste. If you want to add more beef cubes, it's up to you guys, you can add that as well. So then guys, now on to cooking the ugali. You boil your water guys. Of course, I don't think there's anybody in Kenya who doesn't know how to do ugali, but if you're not Kenyan and you're watching this guys, this is how we do it. You boil your water, and then I've ensured that I have some extra hot water in case I'll need it for when my ugali becomes so hard. So I put in my flour, or rather you put in your flour as I am doing guys, and then you just stir that and mix it until you achieve some thick to hard, some kind of like, yeah, it's kind of hard because it's not porridgey, it's hard consistency as you see I'm doing there. And then you let it just cook on one side. After like 2 minutes, you turn it to the other side, and so on and so forth until it is ready. So guys, let me know how you know when your ugali is ready. Mine, I just wait for a particular nice aroma and I'll know it's ready. Like, you'll just know. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes for your ugali to get ready, and mine is ready. And then you put it aside, and now guys, our meal is ready. And you use that, who doesn't have that ugali knife? Yes, you use that to cut up your ugali and serve. So I'm gonna serve the husband Don't come at me saying I've put kidogo ugali or no, a little ugali. No, I'm serving. So this is how I'll serve it. And guys, just it's so yummy. The house is smelling aromatic, guys. Come along. Guys, so please, if you have watched this far, consider subscribe. Thank you guys. Consider subscribing. Let me know if you like my vlogs. I'll consider bringing more. And the fam enjoyed the food, guys. Go try cooking goat meat like I have. And adios, bye bye. See you in the next vlog. See ya, love you.